Okay, so where did we leave off? Got my butt handed to me down in Webster Springs. Big chainsaw race down there. 3 cube class. Screwed up big time on 346. Raised that exhaust port up a little too high. So, I'm trying to fix that with a pop-up piston. Oh, so let's get into that right now. All right, took the cylinder off. Got that all swapped around back to the correct bottom end, and we put a pop-up piston in there. Try to remedy some of that compression to see if we're heading in the right direction. We get the carburetor all blocked off. We get the exhaust all plugged up. We got the impulse line hooked up to our pressure vacuum, and our water with a little bit of soap in it. So that's holding. Looks like that O-ring is holding on the cylinder head. Friend Chris there did a pretty good job on that head.